everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here. I'm here to share with you a fun unboxing. I was watching a fellow YouTuber, actually a few of them, and the one I was watching was Owl Be Sewing. Owl, like O-W-L, Be Sewing. And she had this fun subscription box, and it actually comes every month, and it's a project inside. So I thought, well, that looks like something fun to do. And it's brought to you by Sewers Club. You can find them online. It's a sewing subscription box. It's at sewersclub.com. So it came in the mail yesterday, so I was kind of waiting for this for, it seemed like quite a while. So I'm excited to see the box. So let's see, like your box, share it with us online at #SewersClub. So here we have, you're in. Welcome to Sewers Club. We're excited to have you. As a member, you'll receive hand-selected materials for a monthly project. No project is the same, so stay subscribed and stay sewing. Okay, well, thank you very much. Here is an ABC pocket guide for Schmetz needles, home sewing machine needles. And it explains, it looks like, all the different types of needles that Schmetz makes, which I do use these needles in my machine. So it goes into a lot of detail. Huh. Who knew, right? Tells you when to change your needles. Okay, so it's a lot of information on home sewing machine needles. So I'll keep that in my little sewing box. So here it is, January. Oh, I thought I was getting the December one. Oh, I'm a little sad because I thought if you signed up by a certain date, you were getting the December one, which was really cute. It was a Santa apron. And I already had it in my mind that I was going to make it and who I was going to give it to. But okay, well, all right. Now I know. If you sign up now, you'll probably get the February box. It's probably how that goes. But okay. Whatever. I'm sure this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay. So this is the January 2020. Says, hi, Susan. Are you ready to sew? The January box is filled with 3 fat quarters of Northcott Paris, $10.50 value. 18 inches of fusible fleece, a $4.50 value. The potato chip bag pattern, and I've never heard of that before, by Paula Hughes, a $9.50 value. Add-on notions of the month. Sew for Fun Clip and Guide Bodkin, a $7.25 value. Pilot Friction Clicker Marking Tool, a $2.99 value. And a bonus for all members is the Schmetz ABC Pocket Guide, which is a $4.50 value, which, I don't know, that's expensive. And it's a 2017 edition. Going to be 2020, but maybe things don't change much, and it does say $4.95. Okay, so potato chip bag by Paula Hughes, Northcott Paris fabric. All pieces are USD. And give $5, get $5. Oh, and that's how I got this subscription box, was that I used a reference from Owl Be Sewing, so I saved $5 on the box. And I have a referral code that I can share with you. That you could save $5 off your box, and I'll save $5 on my next box, which is a great thing. We all like to save money, right? So I'll look for that code, and if you're interested, let me know. Okay, so let's see what we have. So here's the fabric. This is interesting. It has like Paris, like as though you're traveling all over the world, which I don't know if I'll ever get there. Oh, this is pretty. The Eiffel Tower. That's pretty. I like how that goes together. So I guess the whole theme is like this Paris theme. And then these are like postage stamps. So those are pretty fabrics. They all go well together. Let me move the box aside. Oh my goodness, my dog. I don't know if she knows that Santa's coming or something, but she's very excited. So this is, I would assume, the fusible fleece. Is that what it was? Fusible fleece? Let me refer back. Fusible fleece. Okay, so 3 fat quarters, the fusible fleece, which is a nice weight fusible fleece. And here's the potato chip bag. You can't make just one. that's interesting. And then we also have in here, oh, this goes with the Pellon fleece, fusible fleece, that goes with that. And then just a piece of tissue paper. And then you could check their online store at sewersclub.com. I'm going to go on there and see if I can get that panel. It's a panel to make a Christmas apron. It's so cute. Or maybe I could find it on eBay or Etsy or something. But let's check out the pattern here. This is cute. It's a cute little purse. So the potato chip bag. Oops. Oh, and this tells you what it is that you need. Okay. And here's the pattern. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like it'd be difficult. I mean, I've been sewing for years. I mean, I'm definitely no seamstress by any means, but that looks like something fun, and I'm going to give it a try. I'm just disappointed that I didn't get the December one, because I really was hoping to get that. And it just seemed like a very long time that it took for me to get the box from when I signed up. But I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to see how things go in the future. Apparently this is a company that's been around for a while. I've never gotten their subscription box before, but they apparently revamped their whole program. So, we'll see what happens. But anyhow, this is the unboxing, and here's what the purse is going to look like when it's completed. So I'll give that a try. But I'm going to go head to the fabric store now and go get a panel for aprons, because I need to make one more. I made my Creative Notions one from that subscription box, and I was planning on making the second one to give to cousins for Christmas. But anyhow, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, be sure to let me know if you're interested in getting the $5 off your first box and give it a try and see what you think. I'm going to keep with it a couple months and see how things go. And then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to stay with it or not. But anyhow, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.